little DIY is a change out of some rotors, front rotors on the Toyota. So the last service we had, the Toyota man said the rotors were worn down, couldn't be honed anymore, and yeah, they need to replace. So googled some replacements, and you can get them from anywhere. These ones here are the RDA Gen 3s, $110 each for both. They range in price from 110 up to 250 for Toyota genuine ones. But anyway, yes, so we'll have a look at how to change them out. Not a real difficult job, but yeah, we'll show you that.
Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. It's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown.
Alright.
New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. You know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time. We are go on now. Be good. Be fine.
2 bolts.
Live your life. Live
Should come off.
forget. Be kind. Live it's your life. Change
Now,
your dream.
we've got something to hang the caliper on, so you're not just leaving it hang on the hose.
Go on now.
A bit better.
Be good.
See if I can find something to hang the caliper on.
Live your life. Live your life.
There you go. The other box. Right, in theory, this should just come straight out. Alright. Old one removed. This is why we've got it off. We'll give everything a bit of a wire brush. Clean up. Righto, that's all cleaned up now. That's the old one, that's the new one. We've got to check it actually fits. That matches the same size as that. I'll have a quick look at that. Yep, pretty flush, that's good. I'm going to do my best not to touch that when I get it back on. Don't want to leave bloody greasy finger marks on the disc, but anyway, we'll see how we go. We'll get it back on. Go for me. That's it. New one on, so I'll get that caliper back on, bolting them on, and yeah, a bit of funny. This one's very shiny. That one's black. Maybe it'll go shiny after a bit of use, but we'll see. Righto. So what I've got to do is these pistons have pushed the pads back out, so I have to get a clamp onto them and push them back in so I can get over that disc. Righto, just got to clean it. Alright, a bit of messing around. We've got the caliper back on now, so I'm just trying to get these 2 bolts back in, these ones, and then yeah, put the wheel back on. Hopefully it's as simple as that. We'll see, because the pads don't need doing, they're pretty good. Fingers crossed. To the right tension. that's it. All that's left to do is get the wheel back on, and each sleep repeat the other side. Well, no, each sleep just do the other side exactly the same. So yeah, see how it goes. Hopefully the brakes work when we crack on. Righto, that's the driver's side done. Passenger side to go in here. I'll give that a whirl, get all this stuff over the other side, and then do the same thing over there and take it for a test run. So, missus, what have we just replaced?
Oh, you've replaced a water filter.
We have. What have we gone? We've gone from the old straight white filters, the old white filters. We had it for 3.5 years and it did the trick. But we've moved now to the WOMO. So we've got a little WOMO Mini there. So that's that'll filter any tank water coming up and also mains water. But we've also got out here, we've got a second WOMO now, little WOMO Mini out here outside. That'll be the portable one that whenever we fill up the tanks from mains, we'll put onto the hose, so it'll be filtered water going into the tanks too. So filtered in and filtered out. I'll show you. So there's your line in from the tap, and that's where the portable WOMO will sit. And then that goes into the van on the other side. There, so too. So it should be good. And there's a difference in taste we've noticed already. Well, they were about $80 each.